Hey everyone, I wanted to do a video of my homemade pick set. Alright, I got these laid out in order that I use most. All the handles are made out of polymer clay. A short round hook, slimmer short round hook, kind of a steep angle short round hook, like a slim short flat hook. DeForest pick. Shallow short flat hook. A medium short flat hook with a little notch in it. Hump rake. This is my favorite rake. Basically any lock I've been able to rake open I can get with this. Snake rake. L rake. And these two I don't really use too much. Half diamond and slim DeForest pick. Then I got my Bogota set. A warded pick. A double and a single ball. And then a little pocket pick set. I keep this together. I just wrap a rubber band around it. It's works pretty good for being kind of shorter. It's got 2 tension wrenches I hold with it. And then my tension wrenches, I got 2 tubular tension wrenches. This one's made out of an Allen key. Top of the keyway tension wrenches. 2 like twisted ones. That's a twist flex one. That's a standard one. A slimmer twist flex. Kind of a standard larger twist flex. Standard larger tension wrench. And interchangeable core tension wrench. And I keep all of them in this Gerber knife case. I think that's 17 picks altogether and 12 tension wrenches. And that's my main homemade pick set. I never actually owned a commercial set. This is the one I use all the time. Always adding to it, and I got some more other ones in here that didn't quite make the cut, but keep them around anyways, because, you know, who knows what use I might find for them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.